my name is Antiko Gare. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about these things here. They are the packing materials we're going at least to discuss, but I will do a detailed video next time. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly do so. Remember to hit that like and notification bell for any time we upload a new video. You'll be among the first person to be notified. Now, I'm going to talk about this indicator. We usually use it during packing. You can see the color. When it is not sterile, it looks like this. I hope my cameraman will zoom it right. You can see. Are you seeing it? Now, this is not, it has not passed through the sterilization or the steam sterilization process. When it goes through the process, it will turn to this color. Can you see it? This one. You've zoomed it. Now, that is the color change. You can compare. Now, another thing we use to as an indicator is this one. Here we have some arrow. Here, this one is bluish in color. It has not passed through the sterilization procedure. It is bluish in color. You can see. When you sterilize it, it will turn to something different. It will turn to this dark green. That's another indicator during sterilization. Now that is when you're using steam. We have another gas or another gas that we use in sterilization called an ETO. These are called sterilization, which is you put your instruments here. Like this instrument that I'm holding is called a mouth guard, mostly used in the ENT procedures. It's a mouth guard, yeah. These are packing pouches. You can also sterilize using these pouches in the ethylene oxide gas. You can see it has turned into pink color. But now it is pink because it has gone through the steam, not the ETO. But when we are putting it through the ethylene oxide gas, it will turn from this pink to yellow. You should know that when you're using steam, it will turn from blue to dark green. When you're using the ethylene oxide gas, it will turn from pink to yellow.